now, moving quickly. Pomela, he usually makes that. And oh wow, look at that. It's no man's land underneath that basket. Look at all the contact underneath. Okay, Gloria is down on the floor. Teams have to be separated, and now the referees will review the video.
As reviewed from the replay center, it was a disqualifying foul on John Edward Habonete, hitting above shoulder, hitting the face. 2 free throws for Charles Gloria, plus ball possession.
So you heard the decision of our officials. Look at that sequence, and this will, okay. So look at Gloria with the ball, and then, so it is ruled a disqualifying foul on John Edward Habonete. Look at this. It's a better angle, okay? Yes. You see, the hand of Habonete was on the face of Charles Gloria. Okay? Actually, see, that is the reason why they gave the disqualifying foul to Habonete. So now